Cloves are flower buds from the clove tree and serve as a versatile spice in many different recipes around the world. However, most people are unaware that cloves are packed with medicinal properties that can provide several positive health benefits for the human body. In fact, cloves are packed with antioxidants that play a role in reducing inflammation throughout our body systems. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, cloves are absolutely packed with antioxidants. One study compared the antioxidant capacity of 26 different spices and found that cloves were the most potent. Cloves contain a compound known as eugenol, which researchers believe to be responsible for most of the impressive health benefits. The antioxidant potential of eugenol was shown to be 5 times stronger than vitamin E. Therefore, consuming only 2 cloves in the morning is an easy and effective way to boost your antioxidants and combat free radical damage throughout the body. Not to mention, cloves can also help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's immune response and serves an important role in healing injuries and fighting off foreign invaders such as chemicals and microorganisms. However, if it persists for a period of time, it becomes chronic inflammation, which has been linked to some of the world's most deadly diseases, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Researchers found that cloves contain compounds that can reduce inflammation in the body, which is a claim that has been supported by multiple studies. And that's not all, folks. Some of the other benefits that cloves have to offer include antibacterial properties that can regulate blood sugar levels, promote healthy bones, help with digestion, prevent stomach ulcers, boost the immune system, treat a toothache, and improve liver health. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding cloves to your daily regimen. If you want to learn more, check out some of our other videos on this topic. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And there should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And as always, breathe easy, my friend.